it's Crystal. So how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe as always. So today I have some mystery boxes. What's more fun than mystery boxes? Opening them. That's what's more fun than having them, opening them. So as always, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate that. And if you're a returning friend, thank you. Don't forget to hit that like button. And everybody leave a comment below. That always helps me out. Okay, so these came, mystery boxes came from WEBS. I did put a video or something out saying that they had these at the time. I don't know if they have them anymore. You could check. I actually think maybe they're out. But I did let everybody know on Facebook and on YouTube that they had them. But if you never shopped WEBS, I've never had a problem with WEBS. It's an online yarn store. I think they have a brick and mortar as well. But I always buy online from them. Anyways, they had some type of tent sale mystery bags. And it didn't really say much other than they were $19.99. So, let's see what it is. Shall we? I'm excited. I think I bought WEBS mystery boxes one other time, maybe a while ago, and honestly I don't remember much about them. I think it said the cost of yarn would depend on how many balls you got. I think I got 4 mystery boxes in here. They all came in one box here. I hope they're separated. If not, we'll just see what kind of yarn I got for the price of 4 mystery boxes. Oh yeah, they are. Okay. Okay, I remember this from last time. They put them in a paper bag. All right. So it's gonna be fun, isn't it? I love mystery boxes. I do. But to tell you the truth, I don't. If I can remember right, I think the yarn was just okay last time. Like it wasn't nothing extraordinary, but it was still worth what they were asking for. If I remember, I don't know. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. All right, here's the first one. See what's inside. Okay, we got some Cascade. Why they all got it? They got it all written on, marked all over. Okay, maybe this was a mistake. This is probably why it's in the mystery box category. It's Cascade Yarns 220. Now they have superwash on there, but they marked off the superwash and they marked it off here as well because it doesn't even feel like a superwash wool. It just feels like straight up wool. It's very pretty though. I like it. And they even took out the washing instructions. Mislabeling is a good reason for that. Would be like a million yarn, you know, something like that. So it says it's 220 yards. Now, since they took away the, it's just 100% wool. And it's a bit scratchy, but not too bad. 220 yards or 200 meters. What weight is it? What weight? 4 weight. The collar's pretty. There's their 4 weight. Like it. And then I got another one that matches it. So this is the same as well. Those two, those will look good in a hat together, I think. Don't you? Yes. Perfect. I love these 2 colors. Some of my favorites. Well, brown is my favorite, and I love pumpkin orange. So I'm going to set them over there. Let's see what else I got. Oh. Hayfield Bonus DK Extra Value. Okay, I've had this and used this many a times. There's nothing wrong with this. It's just like a value acrylic yarn. It's a DK, which stands for double knit, which is a lightweight number 3. And it is 306 yards. So I got one of the pink in it. Then I got this stuff. Novelty yarn. Big Mo by Plymouth. I've never seen that. It's like Lion Brand homespun. That's what it looks like. I like the color of it, but I'm not a big fan of this type of yarn. See that? It looks like it might have some type of alpaca in it or mohair. Okay. Yeah, 90% acrylic, 10% mohair. You can see the mohairs hanging off of it. 83 yards. So I guess you could make a scarf out of that. I don't know. And more novelty. No. Barco gingham yarn. 82 cotton, 18 nylon. Not a fan of that one. Not a fan of that one. Now, some novelty yarns I don't mind. That one I'm not a huge fan of. And then I got one more Noro. It is Silk Garden. 100 meters, so about 110 yards of this. So that was $20. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 balls. Would I pay $20 for this, like if I was going somewhere? No. But is it $20 worth of mystery fun? Yes. I do like these two a lot. My faves. I like the Noro, but you know, it's a 4-weight roving style. It's a silk mohair blend. There's not a lot I can do with the 100 meters. So it's a 4-weight. If I get another one though, in one of the bags, I can make a hat. This pink's okay, you know, it's just basic acrylic. I'm not really a fan of the 2 novelty yarns I got. But that's okay, because I don't buy a mystery bag for the value. I buy a mystery bag for the fun. That's where a lot of people make a mistake when they buy mystery bags. They think they they're not happy with the yarn, or it didn't meet the value that they paid. You're not paying for the yarn. You're paying for the mystery. You're paying for the fun. That's what you have to remember when it comes to a mystery bag. I always go into it with that expectation of I'm probably not going to get my money's worth, but I'm definitely going to get my money's worth in fun. If you find that type of thing fun, the surprise of mystery yarn. I do. So, here we go. Here's number 2. Oh, it's more of this stuff. Oh, look at this brick red. Oh, I like this stuff. See? It's worth it now. I'm getting different colors of the same yarn that I could work together. These are all fall colors. My favorite. So I got another one of these super wash 220. It's not super wash, but it does it. Oh, and another brown, so I can add it to the other one if I wanted to. Great. Ooh, what's this? We got some Malabrigo. Yeah. We got some Malabrigo Chunky. So these have about 104 yards. I don't have this color here, but I do have quite a bit of Malabrigo Chunky that I can mix this color with another neutral color. I think I have a light gray, and it would make a nice hat or something like that. That's nice. See, that was probably worth, well, $20 bag. I think the Chunkies run about 12 to 15, I think. I don't know. Anyways, okay, I got more of this, which in a different color, the Big Mo. Not a huge fan of that one. That one's gray. More of this, the Gingham, different color. Not a huge fan of that. And then I got one more in here. No Noro, but I got some Barco Comfort DK. It's a light sport weight. It's really soft. It's nylon acrylic blend, 50-50. Huh. 178 yards. Yeah, I would have to mix that with something, but it's super soft. So, yeah, I love the Malabrigo. I can mix that with some chunky Malabrigo that I have here. And I like that I got 2 more of these to go with the other 2 that I got. Very, very pretty. All right, let's check out bag number 3. You want to? Bag number 3. Okay, I got more of this. Oh, I got 2 of the brick reds this time, and I can add it to this other brick red if I wanted. And what I have, what's the yardage in here now of a 4-weight? I got 660 yards now, so I'm getting that's a hat and scarf set right there if I wanted that to be all in that beautiful brick red. Nice. So I got 2 of those. Oh my, tinsel yarn from King Cole. I got some Bagoday Providence. This is a nice yarn. I have some of this here, but I don't have this color. I have a brown, but this would probably mix with the brown that I have. The Bagoday Providence is 50 grams, 191 yards. And it's a roving style wool alpaca blend with a little bit of silk. It's got flex in it. Let's see what the weight is there. Probably a 3 weight. It's really soft too. So I like that one. It smells like wool. Oh, what's this? Oh, Sidar Snuggly DK. So this is a 3 weight. I've had this before. It's a basic acrylic DK yarn. Let me see the yardage on it. 179 yards. It's like a really light mint green. And then I got one more. Oh, it's sock yarn. It's okay. I can make socks on my Addy with it. My Addy knitting machine. It's pretty too. Purple. Bagoday sock. 75% superwash wool and 95% merino. Number 2 weight. Yeah. Maybe I'll knit me up some socks with my knitting machine. Smells like wool. Feels like wool. Made in Romania. I don't see that quite often. I don't even see the yardage. But anyways, so that was mystery bag number 3. Okay, let's do number 4. Now they weren't, remember these were $19.99, so there's not a lot of yarn in them. But $19.99 worth of fun, if you ask me. Oh, I got more of the superwash yarn. That's my favorite yarn, and I got another orange, so that gives me 2 oranges, 2 browns, 3 reds, and a blue, which doesn't really go. I always like blue and orange together, but I won't use those. Oh, and blue and brown. No, I'll probably use the reds together, make a hat and scarf set, and I don't know. What do you guys feel on this? Or is it not the right color blue? You can let me know in the comments. And then I got another Hey Phil bonus bundle. This is like the light pink that I got earlier, only this is more of a watermelon color. So it's a fine acrylic, value acrylic yarn. Nothing wrong with that. Ooh, got Hank. It's some Rowan. I love Rowan. It makes it in my top 5 favorite yarns. This is called Pebble Island. And it is a pretty color, a pumpkin, which I love. 100% wool. It's really soft for being 100% pure wool. It's pretty much made in the UK. Trying to see, it doesn't really say weight. This 118 yards. I would have to mix that with something else or buy more of it, but there we go. There's a weight on it. It's very pretty. I like it. I wish I would have got 2 of those though. Then I could have made myself a hat. Ooh, more novelty. Ooh, there we go. Like I said, I don't mind novelty, but I'm not a huge fan of these novelties that they're giving me today. I can't even pronounce that. 75 meters of novelty hand wash. Yeah. 40 acrylic, 30 mohair, 30 polyamide. It is super soft. I don't know. I'd have to think about it. That's a thinker. And then I got one more. Well, it has a $7.50 price tag on it, but it looks like it's been roughed up. That's just too fine for me right there. What is it? Oh my. Here we go. It feels stiff. I can tell you that it's like a 2/8 and it feels like a stiff cotton. Not a fan of that one either, but that's okay. So that was what was in all 4 mystery bags. Was it worth it? No, probably not. But what, I mean, dollar value wise, probably not. But was it worth it in fun? 1,000,000 times over. I really like the Superwash Cascade not superwash, regular wash, regular wool, the 220 that I got. It's my favorite. So I got 3 oranges. So fall. I'm so ready for fall. And summer just started today. Today's 6/21 of 2023. Summer just started and I want it to be over. So these are my favorites that I got. You know, even if it could have been worth the value they wanted, maybe. It probably was retail, but I mean, it's not none I would have went to the store and paid that much for, but I'm not complaining. I like what I got. I think it was fun, and I love mystery boxes. I never complain about a mystery box because, like I said, I buy it for the fun. It's fun for me. I love not knowing what's in there. Knowing that there could be something super cool in there. I love the Malabrigo. Like I said, I have a light gray, I think, in this that will match up well. I'll find another Rowan or something, or put this in a giveaway. I'll do something with that. I have this, but I don't have it in this color, but I think I have a brown, so I think they would match well together. I do wish I had another one of these Noros. Very much I could do with 100 yards of this, but I could make maybe a headband, yeah, or ear warmers for this winter. I'll keep it for fall, who knows. And then we got the sock yarn, which I could use on my knitting machine, make me a pair of socks, so that's fine. You know, probably is worth the value I think that they wanted. 2 of the King Cole DKs. These 2 pinks go well together. So, and there's over 300 yards in each one. So, that's nice. The Snuggle, Sidara Snuggle. I called it a cigar. I like this cover DK, but there's really not enough there to do much with. I'll have to add it with another yarn. And then these novelties, I'm just not a huge fan. But mystery boxes, a lot of times, are usually yarns that companies are trying to get rid of. So you're bound to get some yarns you don't like, but usually you'll get some that you do like. Usually, sometimes once or twice a year, I'll make up mystery boxes. But and this thing, unsell them on Etsy. I mean, I do think I have the best mystery boxes around. Mine are like worth like 3 to 4 times what you pay. But I don't have any now, and I won't have any more probably for till next year. So I'm just letting you know that I don't have any at all. So I have to accumulate yarn first before I can make mystery boxes, and I don't have enough accumulated to make any mystery boxes. But they're always fun. I love them a lot. I had a really good time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Okay, whatever that might be. Take care. Bye, guys.